Hello everyone, very good morning to one and all. Welcome back to the Vishta Rajkumar online classes. Today I am going to give the important questions with answers in zoology for the Bridgeco second year students under the unit 8. The unit 8 is the applied biology. In this, four more questions, very short answer questions will be there. So let me see the questions. Later we will discuss the important questions with answers. So these are the how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So overall 8 questions are there in applied biology. Okay, define the term breed. What are the objectives of animal breeding? So, breed is a group of animals related by descent and similar in most characters such as general appearance, size, configuration, and features with other members of the same species. So breed is nothing but already I told now it's a group of animals. Breed is a group of animals. It's mainly related by the descent and similar the most characters such as general appearance, size, it may be configuration features with other members of the same species. Next, Jersey and Brown Swiss are example of foreign breeds of cattle. So these two varieties of cattle have the ability to produce abundant quantities of milk. The milk is very nutritious with high protein content. Objectives of animal breeding. So the main why the what are the objectives of the animal breeding? Okay, to produce disease resistant animals. Increase in the quality and quantity of milk, meat, wool. Next, fast growth rate. Enhance productive life by improving the genetic merit of livestock. Next, early maturity, economy of feed. Next, so this units for very useful. No need of if they will study in actual this topic is entirely related to the livestock management area technology students. Those people it's a very easy when they are referring to when they are reading the zoology this unit. Okay, this unit completely related to the livestock management area technology second year students. Already they have the first year. Okay, that's the reason it's easy when they are reading in zoology. Okay, explain the role of animal husbandry in human welfare. So deals with the scientific management of livestock. Okay, it includes various aspects such as feeding, breeding. It includes various aspects as feeding, breeding, control diseases to raise the population of the livestock. Okay, the first one is what is the main objectives of livestock. It deals with the scientific management of livestock. Second one is it includes various aspects such as feeding, breeding, and control diseases to raise the population of the livestock animals. Okay, it may be animal husbandry. Usually, it includes buffaloes, cows, pigs, horses, cattle, sheep, camels, goats, poultry, fish, etc., which are useful for humans in various ways. Okay. These animals are managed for the production of the commercial important products such as milk, meat, wool, egg, honey, silk, etc. The increase in human population has increased the demand of these products. Hence, it is necessary to improve the management of livestock scientifically. Okay, this is important question also. Explain the important components of poultry management. So, selection of disease-free and suitable breeds. The selected breed should be free from disease and get accomplished to wide range of climate conditions. In India, hybrid layers BV 300 Highland Purna, next PLs and Borlier strains, Hubbard, Venkov, etc. So feed management, if you see the feed management, balanced diet should be a must to maximize the yield. Okay, brooder, kick mash, grower mash, pre-layer mash, layer mash are fed to layers at different stages. Likewise, pre-start mash, starter mash and finish mash are the feed given to boilers. Safe water should be supplied through waterers at all times. Okay, health care. Vaccination they should take against viral diseases and using antibodies for both bacterial and fungal diseases. Okay, in addition to the above hygiene, proper and safe farm conditions ensure better produce. Okay, next, honeybees are economically important. Justify. Yes. Yeah, honeybees are economically important insects in the world because honeybee products like honey, wax, okay, propolis, and bee venom have more economic importance. It is a rich source of fructose, glucose, water, minerals, and vitamins. That is the economically it's important. It contains what they contains. It contains rich source of fructose, glucose, water, minerals, and vitamins. Beeswax. It is used in the preparation of the cosmetics, polishes of various kinds of candles. Okay. Next, propolis. Propolis is mainly used in the treatment of inflammation, superficial burns. Next, bees, which extracted from the sting of worker bees is used in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Okay, bees venom. It's mainly used for the treatment of the rheumatoid arthritis. Okay, pollination. Bees are the pollinators of our court plants such as sunflower, okay, brassica, apple, and pear. So next, coming to the different vaccine, I discuss about types of vaccines. Vaccine is a biological preparation that improves the immunity to a particular disease. Okay, it's mainly biological preparation. Why they will prepare the from biological way? It improves the immunity to particular against diseases. A vaccine typically contains inactive or alternate disease causing microorganisms. The toxin are one of the surface proteins of microorganisms are also used in preparation vaccine. Types of vaccines, okay. Attenuated whole agent vaccines. They contain disabled line microorganisms. Mostly they are antiviral. Okay. So they contain disabled live microorganisms, mostly they are antiviral. Next, vaccines against yellow fever, measles, rubella, mumps, and vaccines disease such as typhoid. Next, inactivated whole agent vaccine. They contain killed microbes against influenza, cholera, hepatitis C and B. Next, toxides. They contain toxides which are inactivated exotoxins of certain microbes. The vaccines against diphtheria and tetanus. Next, list out any four silent features of cancer cells. The silent features of cancer cells: loss of contact inhibition, reduced intracellular adhesions, immortalization. Okay, the normal cells in a culture stop growing when their plasma membranes come intact with another. Okay, normal cells in a culture stop growing. Okay, the normal cells when will stop growing, automatically abnormal cells will going on increasing. Okay, their plasma membranes are come in contact with another. This inhibition of grow after contact is called contact inhibition. Cancer cells lose their property. Next, when normal cells growing in medium, the cells are joined by intracellular adhesions proteins called, okay, cadherins. They are missing in cancer cells. Normal cells culture does not survive indefinitely. They undergo apoptosis, where cancer cells do not undergo apoptosis. Okay, so loss of anchorage dependency. So it must be attached to a rigid substratum in order to grow. Cancer cells can grow even when they are not attached to the substratum. Increased growth of blood cells. When tumors grow in size, diffusion of oxygen and nutrient become restricted, and so tumors restored to attracting more blood vessels from their surrounding matrix. Next, explain the different types of cancers. Based on the origin, cancers are classified into carcinomas. So these are the carcinomas are nothing but the cancerous tumors. Okay, malignant of the epithelial tissue. They are originated from the epithelial tissue of the skin, lining of the respiratory, digestive, urinary, and the genital systems are cells from various glands, breast and nervous tissue, etc. 85% of the cancers are carcinomas. Sarcomas. They are malignant tumors of connective tissues or organs that originates from the mesoderm. About 2% of tumors are sarcomas. Okay, carcinomas is it came from the epithelial cells. 80% of these cancers are carcinomas. Next are sarcomas. So this connected it came from the connective tissues or organs. Okay, it originates from the mesoderm. About 2% of the next leukemias. These are malignant tumors of stem cells, hematopoietic tissues, resulting unstrained production of WBC. They are liquid tumors. Okay, about 4% of cancers are leukemias. Next, lymphomas. They are malignant tumors of secondary lymphoid organs like spleen, lymph nodes. About 4% cancers are lymphomas. Next, write briefly about different waves and intervals in ECG. Okay, this is a very important question. ECG questions repeated. The question is coming for the final examination. ECG is nothing but the electrocardiography is commonly used in non-invasive procedure for recording electrical changes in the heart. The graphical record, which is called an electrocardiogram, shows a series of waves that occurs during each cardiac cycle. Okay, first one is it is a ECG is nothing but the electrocardiography. It's used in non-invasive procedures. Okay, it's not inserting into the body of the orifices. That is the reason we are calling it the non-invasive. Invasive means we are inserting into the body. Non-invasive, they are not inserting. Okay, topical only, just superficial, or we are using on skin, not inside the body orifices. Okay, for recording electrical changes in the heart. So why we have to use it's mainly used in for the recording electrical changes in the heart. Next is a graphical record. So it is called an electrocardiogram. It will show the series of waves that occur during each cardiac cycle. So these are the important questions and answers. Okay, in this eighth unit, applied biology and that. So okay, so up to here I have given the important questions in all like a unit wise and also. Okay, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth also. Okay, completely I have given important questions with answers in zoology for the basic second year students. Okay, thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day.